To the weather centre on Thursday. A band of showers and thundershowers will move through parts of the Cape provinces in the first part of the day, but with that rainfall clearing out from the west. It'll also be a cloudy start to the day over the eastern part of South Africa, with a chance of rainfall along parts of the eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coastline. As we head into the afternoon and evening, we'll see larger thunderstorms forming over the central, northeastern and eastern part of South Africa, as well as the interior part of the eastern Cape, with a 40% chance of thundershowers. Now, most of that rainfall for the western and eastern Cape will occur in the first part of the day. We're forecasting a 60% chance of thunderstorms for Gauteng and Mpumalanga, as well as parts of the northwest, the Free State and KwaZulu-Natal, with a chance of rain as we head towards the coast and isolated thundershowers for Limpopo. With all of that thunderstorm activity, the SA Weather Service have issued a watch for the possibility of severe thunderstorm development, with potentially large hail and damaging wind over the eastern part of the Free State. It'll be a windy afternoon across the interior, and with that they've issued a high fire danger warning with potentially runaway fires over the northern part of the country. Temperatures still remain in the 30s over the northeastern part of South Africa, with a chance of thundershowers. Ermelo and Bombela at 25 degrees, Polokwane at 24. 30 as we head towards Bloemfontein, 26 for Ladysmith. Still quite cool as we head towards the eastern Cape, with highs in the upper teens and low 20s. It'll be a mild day along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline with a light to moderate easterly wind. You'll see a fresh northeasterly wind for East London, with strong easterly gusts for Port Elizabeth, and a 2-metre south-southeasterly swell at 9 seconds along the east coast. Warm over the southern part of South Africa, with most highs in the middle and upper 20s in the afternoon. Mild as we head towards the coast, though, with a fresh to strong easterly to southeasterly wind between Jeffreys Bay and Cape Agulhas. Mild for Hermanus with a fresh southeaster. Muizenberg at 26 with a 20 km/h southeasterly wind and a 3.5-metre southeasterly swell along the south coast. 32 degrees for Prieska and Uppington, 23 for Sutherland, a sunny 22 as we head towards Springbok and Alexander Bay. A moderate westerly wind is forecast from Alexander Bay through to Lambert's Bay, with a moderate northwesterly wind for Langebaan, and a warm afternoon for Cape Town at 27, with a light southwesterly wind for Table Bay and a 2-metre southerly swell along the west coast. On Friday, you'll see most of that thunderstorm activity over the eastern part of South Africa, with a dry and warm day in the west and a bit of rain for the eastern Cape. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Thursday.